So in this master detail relationship, if you have seen here in the data type, we have roll-up summaries fields also. What are these roll-up summaries? Roll-up means it will going to calculate the data from its related childs. This is my project. Okay. This is the record XYZ related to this task 1, task 2 is there, and task 3 is there. Let's suppose this task 1 took 3 days to complete, this took 2 days to complete, and this took 5 days to complete. And this is my master record, which is the project record. Okay, XYZ. And here I want to calculate, or I want to know how much time this project took to complete all the tasks. Okay, so separately we have added here that this task took 3 days to complete. Now 2 days related to task 2 are taken, and related to this task 3 5 days are taken. Now the calculation to sum up all these things, we will going to use the roll up summaries here. These are the types of field only which are in Salesforce, which can only be created on the records where role master detail relationships are there. Okay, only for master detail. So in this, you can, using this roll up summary, you can easily calculate 3 plus 2 plus 5, and you will going to get here 10. Okay, you can easily get to know that 10 days took to complete all the tasks related to this project. Similarly, if someone wants to know on the same master record only what is the average related to all these tasks, then this can also be easily calculated. 10 by 3, whatever it will going to come, it can easily show you. Okay, so there are 4 different types of function available in the roll up summaries. Let's select this roll up summary. Okay, next, here whatever the name you want to give to the roll up summary, you can give addition, let's suppose. Okay, then next, here this is the master object account. Okay, on the master records only you can create this roll up summaries. Okay, it is not possible to create these roll up summaries on the child records. Here you cannot create the roll up summaries. On the master record only you can enable or create these roll up summaries. Okay, so here in this case your master object will be the account, and whatever the related or the child records to this account can be seen here. Okay, so these are the 3 different objects available on which are the child of this account. Okay, let's suppose for the opportunities I want to calculate, this is my opportunity. These are the 4 different function roll up summaries provide me. If I select count, okay, or let's suppose sum I select, it will going to give me all the fields from the child object. Okay, this is my opportunity, and all these fields are available on the child. Uh, this is account. Okay, and this is opportunity 1, this is opportunity 2. Here amount is added 1000, and here amount is added 2000. I want to know the sum of all the opportunities related to this on the account object. Okay, so in this case I will going to create a roll up summary where sum will be my function or the operation I will going to use, and it will going to give me total 3000 on this roll up summary field. Similarly, whatever the field for the amount I want to know, if you select here, and sum will be my function, and here criteria, all the records should be included, or you can use filtration also. Specific records only where the condition is satisfied. Let's suppose where amount is greater than 1000 only, I want their sum to be calculated. Okay, where amount is greater than 1000, for those only I want to calculate the roll up. So in this case it is 1000, not greater than 1000. It will going to skip this record and only calculate this one. So here now sum will be 2000. Okay, if I calculate all the records, then it will going to give me 3000. This is how your roll up summaries will going to work. Similarly, you can calculate the minimum. Okay, what is the minimum amount among all the related records? So here another third opportunity is also related to this, where amount is 500. So what will be the minimum among all these three? 500 will be calculated, and you can see this on your account record. Similarly, we have the maximum. So among all three, maximum is 2000. This can be uh, populated over the account record. So this is how all your different functions will going to work, and count is the function here which will going to count all the number of related records. So how many records are created related to this account? 3. Okay, so using the count you can get all the total number of related child records. This is how your roll-up summaries will going to work in the master detail relationship. To use this roll-up summary, only the condition is your two objects should be related to each other with master detail relationship. Then only you can create this roll-up summaries. This is about the master detail relationship. So whenever there is a need, I need to relate two different objects, where if the parent exists, then only there is a need of child object. Then in such cases or in such scenarios, we will going to use or relate both of them with the master detail relationships. Okay, so in master detail relationship, one will be the parent and another will going to act as its child. Ownership will be the same as of master only. Then if child parent is related, then related child, if parent is deleted, then its related child records will also get deleted. Roll-up summaries can only be enabled if in this object or this object is related with the master detail relationships. Else you cannot create these type of fields. That is the roll-up summary. So this is first type of relationship. Now the next comes is the roll lookup relationships.